guys, welcome back to the Coal Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is going to be all about Shea Moisture in South Africa, and I'm just going to be sharing my thoughts with you on the brand. But before we get into that, subscribe, like, comment, follow, all of that good stuff. I really appreciate it. Let's get this video started. Guys, I have a history with Shea Moisture, and when I say I have a history, I mean that I've been using it for 7 years. While I transitioned, when I started my natural journey, Shea Moisture was the OG of hair products. I followed US-based YouTubers and they all raved about it. Now, if I have to look 7 years later, I'm barely seeing Shea Moisture products being used by natural hair YouTubers. Why? I don't know. But I'm just going to talk to you guys a little bit. Let's start off with the curl enhancing smoothie. Like, there's video after video after video after video after video on the curl enhancing smoothie. I bought it, I tried it, did nothing for me. For me, I ended up using it like a moisturizer. I think I bought it twice in my entire natural hair journey. It really didn't do it for me. The Jamaican black castor oil line, I can speak with absolute confidence that it's my favorite. I've tried the high porosity line, I've tried the low porosity line, I've tried a lot of stuff from Shea Moisture. Almost every single line out of the entire brand I have tried. When they hit the shelves in South Africa, I was excited. I was like, South Africans can finally try Shea Moisture. And then it was like, stop. The price point. The price point is not justified in a South African market. And you guys can disagree with me all you want to in the comments. I have shopped internationally online for products, and Shea Moisture, what were their price points? Under $20. I get import charges, I get, you've got to pay to have your product in the shelf, I get the middleman, I get all of that as to justifying the price point for a South African market. So when Shea Moisture hit the shelves, did South African, girls go out and buy it? Absolutely. Shea Moisture, oh my God, I've got to try it, I've got to try it, I've got to try it. And that was all well and good and great for the company. But what I'm noticing, as the years are going by and as the months are going by, I can go into Dis-Chem, I can go into Clicks, and I see the Shea Moisture stuff and I don't see them moving the way they should be moving. When I see Shea Moisture, it's priced as a high-end brand. But when I look at the packaging and I see them next to another product that costs half the price, when I see them next to sachets that cost 59 Rand and I'm looking at like over 200, 59 Rand, just the way it's kind of positioned in the stores, it doesn't make you want to go out and buy a Shea Moisture product. And then many South Africans have went out and bought it. Did the results justify the price point? When I look at the Facebook groups, the hair groups, besides the Coal Factory on Facebook, follow and like, when I look at South African Naturals, when I look at It's Natural, when I look at the Curly Girl Friendly groups on Facebook, I don't see people really using Shea Moisture. Like, if I try and keep my ear to the ground as much as possible in the natural hair community. I'm not a South African YouTuber that's a little bit airy-fairy up there and not knowing what's happening. I try to keep my ear to the ground. I try and use products. I've helped some products really go viral. My channel has helped people go out and buy those products. So I try and keep my ear to the ground as much as possible within the community, and I'm not seeing Shea Moisture. Shea Moisture is almost nowhere to be found. I'm not saying nobody's using it at all, but the positioning of the brand in South Africa, I don't know. Guys, so those are my thoughts on Shea Moisture in South Africa. I do think, and this is something I want to say about the brand, it's not positive. They don't engage enough with us. They don't engage with natural hair YouTubers. They don't engage enough with natural hair bloggers. I did receive a free gift from Shea Moisture. I'm gonna put that out there. I was doing videos. I wasn't back in South Africa yet. They sent me a package, an appreciation package, but this was when they kind of just got out there. And they did have an ambassador. I think her name is Aisha. She was the ambassador. They were kind of getting themselves out there and engaging with us. Today, 2020, we are on lockdown in South Africa. Am I seeing Shea Moisture around? No. So those are just my thoughts, guys. Drop your comments down below. Let me know what your favorite Shea Moisture product is, or line of products. Let me know if you disagree with me or you agree with me on what I'm saying about Shea Moisture and its positioning now in South Africa and within the natural hair community. Thanks so much, guys, and I'll see you again. Take care.